In this video, I'll show you how to combine clips in Filmora, and it's really simple. So, I already have two clips placed on my timeline. Right now, they're just sitting next to each other with a hard cut between them. The first method is to select both clips, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. This will merge the two into a single clip on the timeline, making it easier to apply effects, transitions, or edits uniformly. It's great if you don't need to edit the clips individually afterward. Now, if you don't want to merge them but still want a smoother flow, go to the Transitions tab at the top, then choose a transition you like, for example, Dissolve. Drag and drop it between the two clips. When you play it back, you'll see a smooth, professional-looking transition. But what if you want both clips to play at the same time, layered visually on top of each other? Here's how to do that. Move the second clip up to track 2, placing it directly above the first one. Now they're overlapping. Next, click on the top clip, go to the Video tab, and scroll down to the Blend Mode option. Change it from normal to something like Screen or Multiply, whichever gives the visual style you're going for. Now both clips are blended together, and you can create some cool effects this way. And that's it. Whether you want to merge clips using a compound clip, create smooth transitions, or blend them visually with effects, Filmora gives you multiple easy options. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.